The tale of Angular. In the world of static sites so plain, where clicking links felt slow and vain, came a hero, bold and bright. Angular stepped in with coding might. Not just scripts and scattered code, it brought a strong, structured mode. With TypeScript by its trusty side, it typed away, no bugs could hide. It said, why? Mix logic in your view, let components handle what they do. Each piece of UI, neat and clean, reusable, smart, you know what I mean. Templates hold the HTML art, while logic runs in the .t's part. And with data binding, swift and tight, your screen and code stay synced just right. Click a button, type a name, two-way binding plays the game. It listens, updates back and forth, making your front end rich in worth. Need to fetch data? No more mess. HTTP client handles the stress. APIs call with just one line, the response comes back, everything's fine. Routing too is built right in. Navigate with ease, begin to spin. One-page apps that feel so light, no full-page loads, just smooth delight. Dependency injection, what's that you ask? It helps you with the service task. You write your logic once with care, then share it out from here to there. Forms come in two cool styles, template or reactive, pick your miles. Validation inputs, user flow. Angular helps your forms just glow. And if you like some CLI flair, just type commands, it's all right there. Generate components, modules, routes, without the need for coding doubts. Though Angular JS was version 1, the new Angular's a smarter run. Mobile ready, super fast, a future-proof choice that's built to last.